What do you add to a release plan? Choose 2. Option A. Investments. Option B. Chargebacks. Option C. Rate matrices. Option D. Requirements. The correct answer is option A, D. Which methods are used by post transactions to WIP? Choose 2. Option A. Full post. Option B. Pending post. Option C. Reverse post. Option D. Selective post. The correct answer is option A, D. Before you can create new incidents in CA Clarity PPM, which action do you need to perform from the administration menu? Option A. Set up incident categories. Option B. Set up an incident effort type. Option C. Create an incident manager role. Option D. Specify tasks and projects that will be associated with incidents. The correct answer is option A.